Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone 15 models. So guys, many iPhone 15 users are complaining about after buying the iPhone 15 they are facing an issue of Bluetooth, that their Bluetooth is not working properly and they don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Bluetooth not working on iPhone 15 models. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. First of all, you have to do is simply check your Bluetooth settings. You have to open the settings and go to Bluetooth, and you have to make sure that the Bluetooth is turned on. If it's already on, turn it off and then wait for a few seconds and then turn it back on. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is simply enable your airplane mode. Enable the airplane mode and then disable it back. This can sometimes help reset the connection. You can simply, to access the airplane mode, you can simply open the control center, or you can simply go to the settings, and from here you can enable your airplane mode and then back disable it. If airplane mode doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is restart your iPhone 15. A simple restart can often resolve Bluetooth connectivity issues. Turn off your iPhone 15 by going to the settings, then tap on general, go to shut down your iPhone and then wait for a few seconds and then restart it back. If restarting iPhone 15 doesn't work and you're still facing the Bluetooth connectivity issue, then you have to do is simply forget the Bluetooth device. To do this, you have to simply go to the Bluetooth, tap on I icon, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device and then repair it again. If repairing doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is update your iOS version. Ensure your iPhone 15 is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to the settings, go to general, tap on software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone 15. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. If updating doesn't work, then move to the next step. Our next step is to check for interference. Bluetooth signals can be affected by interference from other electronic devices. Move away from other devices that may be causing interference. If it still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue and your Bluetooth is not working properly on your iPhone 15 models, then our last step is to reset your network settings. This will reset all settings related to network related settings including Wi-Fi password and Bluetooth connections. After the reset, you will need to reconnect to Wi-Fi networks and pair Bluetooth devices again. To do this, you have to simply open the general, then go to transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset network settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, these were some simple steps at how to fix Bluetooth not working issue on iPhone 15 models. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.